Hello everybody, let's sing Bluebird. Here we go. Bluebird, bluebird through my window, bluebird, bluebird through my window, bluebird, bluebird through my window. Oh, Johnny, aren't you tired? Choose a little boy and tap him on the shoulder. Choose a little boy and tap him on the shoulder. Choose a little boy and tap him on the shoulder. Oh, Johnny, aren't you tired? Now let's talk about how to play the game that goes with it. Okay, here's the rules. On verse 1, we're going to take a cup and we're going to pass it back and forth while we sing. Bluebird, bluebird through my window. That's it. On the chorus, we're going to kneel down and clap. Choose a little boy and tap him on the shoulder. Verse 2 will be hopping like this. Bluebird, bluebird through my window, and so on. Choose a little girl and tap her on the shoulder. Verse 3, we're going to take the cup and put it on our heads and balance it and spin around in a circle. Bluebird, bluebird through my window. Then we kneel down again and clap 3 times. Choose a little boy and tap him on the shoulder. Verse 4, we're going to take the cup, balance it while we spin around in a circle, singing bluebird, bluebird through my window. Choose a little girl, tap her on the shoulder. Choose a little girl, like that. Verse 5, with the cup on the end of our foot and spin around while we sing bluebird, bluebird through my window. And of course, in the song, we clap 3 times. Choose a little boy and tap him on the shoulder. That's it. Now let's do the track. 1, 2, 3, say. Bluebird, bluebird through my window. Bluebird, bluebird through my window. Bluebird, bluebird through my window. Oh, Johnny, choose a little boy and tap him on the shoulder. Choose a little boy and tap him on the shoulder. Choose a little boy and tap him on the shoulder. Oh, Johnny, aren't you tired? Hopping. Okay.